Okay, now let's talk about the Granite V3. This is only for the V3. We have the new roof light bars. The previous one needed to be mounted from the inside. These ones are pretty much like all the other lights we have for like Centon, Infraction, and some others. Creighton You just put this on top, and then you drill 4 holes on the roof. Then you pass the screws, and then you tighten this with some nuts. Let me show you on the inside. As you can see here, we have 4 nuts. Here, 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 and here. Some people asking the light bar not being the same shape as the roof. That is because the light bar is flexible. So when you screw this in and you tighten this up, this will bend a little bit and will fit perfectly on the roof. Okay, let me remove this. Oh, by the way, I have the lights all connected to one splitter. This splitter is also included in the kit. The front ones, as you can see, the front ones are pretty secure inside the bumper, and then you have these 2 pieces. A lot of people is asking what are those 2 pieces for. As you can see here, those 2 pieces will keep the light bar locked inside the bumper, and this is a pretty easy installation. You just have to remove 2 screws from here. You just move the bumper away, insert the light bar, and then you put the 2 locks that I showed you, and that's it. You just put the screws back in, and that's it. Then we have the Underglow lights here. You can see we have too much light here, but these lights are pretty bright. And this is a new tail light that you can just put it in the here, the same way we mounted in the Arrma Vortex. We also have the same model for the Big Rock. The mounting part is a bit different from the Granite and the Vortex, but the lights are pretty much the same. Oh, forgot to mention these lights. Let me connect it so you can see it. There we go. These rear lights, you just have to make 2 holes here and here and pass the screws. Here you can see the screws. That's yeah, there. And that will be all. Well, the carbon fiber wing is also pretty easy to mount. You just have to make 3 holes here, put it in, and that's it.